Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh Chugh. I'm an Associate Professor in Information and Communications Technology from Central Queensland University, Australia. It's been a pleasure to be at UIN for the last few days. In fact, I was recently granted an international adjunct professor position here, which started in October 2024 and lasts till October 2025. So I've been here at UIN for a few days and I'm thoroughly enjoying my visit. But before I tell you why I'm enjoying the visit, I think it's important that you know a bit about me. There is a joke that I have. I often say to people, just Google Ritesh Chugh up. But I think it's important for me to tell you something about myself. I research in the area of socio-technological systems, which usually focuses on the intersection of information technology and how people use technology. I call myself a socio-tech expert because I'm exploring the intersection of technology and how society uses those systems. But apart from that, I engage in interdisciplinary research that focuses not only on my discipline area, but also on the scholarship of learning and teaching, such as educational systems, pedagogy, technology-enhanced learning, social media, and knowledge management systems. More recently, I was also recognized in the global Elsevier Stanford list. So my name appeared in the top 2% scientists list in 2024. Apart from that, I'm also a senior fellow of the Higher Education Academy. I have been recognized with various awards, both in the areas of research and learning and teaching. In fact, I got a national award that was based on best practice in teaching students. I was also recognized for research award by my university's dean a couple of years ago. Apart from that, I also engage in public scholarship, and public scholarship, as you know, means how I'm interacting with the general population. So having said that, I've published in almost every mainstream newspaper in Australia, and my media publications have featured both nationally and internationally. I'm looking forward to taking this relationship that we've established forward. And as universities, both Central Queensland University and UIN have a lot in common. And it's important that we work on establishing the synergies forward, particularly in the areas of engagement, research, learning and teaching, and ensure that everyone benefits from this relationship. Now coming back to where I started, I wanted to talk to you about my time in UIN. I'm thoroughly enjoying my time here. But having said that, I wouldn't deny that it's been a very packed schedule, but I'm loving every minute of it. And I mean it because, I want to be able to give back as well to the UIN community, of which I am a proud member of now. The last few days have been engaged in a lot of meetings, knowledge sharing sessions, both with UIN staff and students in different faculties. And I think this relationship is only starting. I'm just here now, but the relationship will grow over time because being here, the idea is to convert this relationship into more tangible outcomes and see how this becomes a win-win situation for all of us. So, thank you everyone, and hope you enjoy watching this testimonial of mine, and thank you for having me at UIN. All the best to all of you. Thank you.